single side etching machines running video. Check the main electric control. Turn on the power. So all the pump have frequency drivers control of the different speed. So let's check the main work running. And then going to etching. There's our oscillation. Has the space limit, so we're only making the etching module without freezing. Check the back side. With cooling system. Electric control, electric connection on open. Acid golden system with 3 tech and acid control.